What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've been working on this cat eye day and night. You can see here I got the new bed on. Like I was saying, this is the 2014 to 2018 8-foot bed. It's gonna look a lot better once I give this cab a little paint job, take off this little pinstripe line here, and then I might add a pinstripe line in this crease going all the way over, and then have it follow the bed to like here maybe, so that way it'll make the body line look really like factory. But other than that, I think it looks really good on here. It's white, it's a work truck, it's a brand new bed with no rust. So I think it turned out pretty good. It was just pretty much a straight bolt on. I don't really have to do anything. I had tail lights already. Bought a tailgate for $100 off Facebook. So the last thing I have to do, the only thing, is to hook up these lights. Now these were the tail lights on the other bed, and the only thing that's different are these plugs. You know, I just cut these off because of the original tail lights, because these are the plugs that fit this I forget what it's called, but it's like a whatever, the plug bracket, inline, whatever. I'm not sure the exact name of this, but this is where all the plugs from your bed and everything plug into. These are the only differences on the bed. I'll show you. These are the ones that are on the new tail lights. And the only problem I think I'm gonna have is that there's only 4 wires on these ones. There's 5 wires on my other ones. So I have to cut these off, the new tail lights, and then splice my other plugs onto here. And then this is the original one, and this is the original one. They all plug back in. And then after I splice them, we should be good to go. Okay, so we're gonna do this left side first because I have all the bulbs in there still. Or I have new bulbs and all that one already, not any in that one yet. So we're gonna do this black one first. It's for passenger side. So the passenger side one is this one. We're gonna cut it off. This one here. Take that back a little bit. Cut it right here. Should give us plenty. Now, okay, we have these 4 wires. I mean, new wire cutters. Okay, so first, I'm just gonna wire them. I have these connectors, these heat shrink connectors that I'm gonna use once I know I have the wiring right. But I'm just gonna wire them on real quick. Just put them together for now to see which way the wires go. Okay, so we have a dark blue, light blue. There's a black and a brown. I assume the black is the ground, so we'll do that one first. Okay, black, black. This is a brown one, so maybe these 2 brown go together. Okay, so now I have blue, blue, green. These 2 look the same. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it out. See what happens. And these 2 are pretty light. Make sure none of them are touching. Okay. Black. Let's see if it works. Hopefully the truck starts first off. No lights. Okay. Alright guys. Turns out I just had the wires messed up. So I messed with the wires for a few minutes. And this is the correct way to wire these taillights if anyone else is going to be doing this. You have this black one, that's your ground, that goes to the black of the new taillights. The old taillight, really light blue, goes to the dark brown. Dark blue on the old goes to dark green on the new. And then you have green on the old goes to light green on the new. And I checked my brakes, they work. The brakes work, the turn signal works, and the reverse light works. So I think that's all I need. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. I'm actually gonna wire these correctly first. I'll show you what I have. Have these guys, they're heat shrink connectors. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I'm gonna do one at a time so I don't get mixed up. We'll do the ground first. Okay. That went nice and tight. So we can now hit it with the heat gun. It's going to shrink right around them tubes and make it a nice finished watertight job. Okay. Okay. That's all done. Plug this back in. Just pull it Now that I have all the wiring complete, turn signal. Where's my brick at? Show you. No light right now. Got my brick. Brake light works, and I'll put it in reverse real quick so you can see the reverse light works. Well, I couldn't see it, but hopefully you guys did. Hopefully it was on. So now I'm going to do the wiring for the other one. It should just be the same, but if it's not, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so the driver's side wiring was exactly the same. So this bed conversion is complete. The only thing I have left to do actually is put the gas, put this back in place, gas line. But that's pretty much it. It was a direct bolt on, really easy. 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, same on the other side. And this 04 Cat Eye has a brand new bed. She's ready to do some work. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps some of you guys if you're going to be trying one of these conversions yourself. It's really easy, the wiring is really simple, and now that I did it, there's a video out there because I couldn't find anything to help me. So hopefully this helps someone out. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.